Okay, what is up? Welcome to this episode right here on IO the General. In this video, we are going to look at in our software engineering concepts playlist load testing in Python. So load testing measures an application's performance actually under unexpected or peak user loads, serving as a critical security assurance process in software development. So by simulating multiple concurrent users or requests, developers can identify potential bottlenecks, crashes, performance thresholds before deployment to production environments. And this preventive approach is essential for maintaining positive user experiences by ensuring applications remain responsive and stable even during periods of high traffic. And without proper load testing, systems may experience slowdowns or complete failures. So we'll look at how Python actually enables load testing. What it does is that it creates test cases that mirror actual user journeys without logging in, making purchases, or maybe uploading content. It also does simulate massive scale by generating thousands or millions of virtual users to push systems to their limits, and this helps to measure key metrics by tracking response times, throughputs, and resource consumptions under various load conditions. So one thing you should know is that modern development teams frequently integrate Python-based load testing into their CI/CD pipelines, ensuring that performance testing becomes a regular part of the development cycle rather than an afterthought. So that's it for how Python enables load testing. Yeah, so let's get straight to the next video in the playlist so we can understand another concept. Thank you for watching. I are the General.